Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kisang Ma ula ai kejing kular hakmat kiri Rangba kathan mau hati basyan un sepun urlong no e kejing dawa upat ba banbu e ka Community and Rural Development Block hamau hati. Kini kejing kular kelami ha kejing na ikendu jeng kiri Rangba kathan palayalam do MLA ka mau hati ba Charles Marngar yau Konrad Sang Ma ne kasing thodi hasilong.
Today a delegation from Mauhati constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mauhati, Charles Marngar, and many leaders from Mauhati constituency. And they had shared with me the different needs of Mauhati constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirambong area and one is in Umsning, and in some areas people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarters, which is very difficult and challenging for the people and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA, Charles, and his leaders have requested if a new CNRD block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mauhati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mauhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new CNRD block in Mauhati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mauhati CNRD block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mauhati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are school-less right now, and those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mauhati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mauhati.
Menteri Rangba Kejala ula pentip ka sarkar kala pediang ke jing terwa ban penkhaya ke CNRD block hamau hati. Berka sarkar kan stang no ekakam bantay ke ni ka block thamai. Kanang bagi pajba kinyo ke jing syakri ke bakhamha badyo ek skim beper ke sarkar. Bu MLA ba Charles Marngar ula pentip bah kan ni ke jing kendu kimat ki playakren ki kentup ke CNRD block hamau hati ke Surak Intermediate Road na so nidan syo Umsiang ban kintiu kerdan ya ka maurong bat so nidan sub center syaka PHC bat kiwe ki Surak Padang Sateng hapok ke Mauhati constituency. Ba Charles ula ai kuble yu Menteri Rangba Kejala halor kecing kloy jung u ban sengap bat chim khalem ya kijing e chuki pajba ke Mauhati.
Chief Minister Konrad Sang Ma hagalik step nagaliang jonga kum MLA jonga Mauhati constituency ringkat bat kinong yalam jonga constituency Prokowe iwan hangni idon katugan lagi demand nak benda ke development of constituency kawai ka demand ke ba kladai kawai ka long pending demand hakapa nakaliang ke jonga kapur bangalong MDC haka sautrik jong panai agos jong senem araja apwe kladai banuan bani kutu ya u minister pada pe ya kesin ardi ku kapur donglong iba hamlet dole dengkat kisenjuk kirang basnong jong ke Mauhati area jong ke Sonidan area bat kiwe nang tadi kaderu kadiman hakapa katu ka netli ki NGO ro kapok ke konstitusi ke jonga kila diman ni kani ken mau ke HYC kila diman bat kilawan sangaru bat asnem mensua nakaliang ke FKJGP ru kilawan ban diman ia kini kesin adi blok omtang haka sorkar rei kawan ban kenduru yang anak takane bat kawai ka bakam ka banganga haban dan nyokor kadi ka timan kajing kwa kajing angnut jong kipat ba jong ka konsensi bandon no la ka jong community and rural development lane ka si an adi blok hamawati ke kajing wan kendu jong i mendak si kadi ka timan halon kini dingi sokomen hadu kata ba nakaliang jong chief minister ulak kulari kini la sanction hero ye kini ikut ke office work kilaya imenta sanction di kini ulak itu yangi bat ba shen hien saban banano ia kini kasin adi blok dingi penpau ke jing sokomen ke kraw nak ke benda ke jing ailap ke jong uban di kendu bangi hak bede kasin adi blok nang tade ke wepat ke ba kwa penpau hak bede kasin adi blok ki kijing mentoi ki banging yo ladang yo ki kasin adi blok kijing mentoi ki bangin yo ladang yo kasin adi blok kade ban pensuk ya ki pai ba namar pi balai ngong umta nado na siang kumba arpho tam teligi snong ki haban wan sedu sning ke jingjangai ke distance ke ba prapho kilometer urang ba snong teng bapli ka bai kali umdan u haban ma sedu sning ban reserve ke kali nang tade ki pension teman ki skim yang betul nang ta ki skim ha bai dai ba kini ki skim ke kam sis pas ni bat ki wai ki jingdan kam namar pi ka si ana di blok ni ke dai ke badil man la kesngi bat ki pai ba tiga ni kalau bu jing ya sisa balada kanu ka urlong sisa kum mangilai keren mendak kesngi bat ngabar tinru bonong ba kala urlong hi kan urlong hi na ke jingkren ke jong chief minister kan long sisa ke jingkerku ya ke konsensi hi baru koi kata ke dai mat kabaar pi ingin habang ilawan ban kendo ngilabu ro sa kawai kamat bat kata kalong ha ka bai dai bat usurok intermediate lane ubadangsa nasonidan shadu sha umsian haka bai dai bat uniro so kemen bana kaliang kejong chief minister ni ulong positif ban jawab ikene bat ngim atatin ni RUM kum balong kejingnya keren hak ni sini imat ngin nom slam ban yo no surok nasunidan shadu usiang kabadang sa kumasau ko kilometer kawai ro kamat ke balai ke bangi ngiwan hang ni kalong banyu thuru yaki kibabun ma isurok kijinge hakalet kawan apo konsulsi kamla banjir ro dang ni dai kum kamau rong ro jadi kawai no surok bala tak palat ya kelet kawan hakaba ngilade banyu lumro yaki rang ba snong jong kamau rong ro nak bentapat penyo no ini surok tinggi itu ipi hoi uladon hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 kat nyo kilometer nang tade usurok pamlatar nadu kepor kepa ilong MLA ba jekedor phak hadu mentangin 4 yo pra kilometer nang tade usurok napo umlaper selempoi kat 2 kilometer nang takawai kepa thamai kepa don hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 kepada namaulas nai sha kedo ati arpo kilometer kini kita kimat kiba nam tahu surok bat kiwai ro surok kibalong internal road bat kiwai kiba connect na kawai kisnong shakwai kisnong kini kita kibang iwan bani keramat singi kapapun PUE batangsian kadang suwan nang tena blok tu na kita kisnong laper mat tengtelai i sder ta terten ikawai ke basungsi kalong ba hadu benda kidang don kisnong kibang patong school de ngasuk kemen hadu kata bai ke jung kendo yo chief minister ka tentang singi bana kaliang ke jung ula ai ke assurance ula ai hakmat omtang jonga hakmat ki leader ki jonga na po consensi but immediately on sa shim iki steps panle no ye kini ki schools popli ki ba mat iki jing ki ba don ki snong ki bom padon school ki bolong ki bangala banong school less village ki bom padon school ki don ki snong ki padon school ke school building kim da kene ke ko wai ka mat ka bang ra banyak kan de sesisin nak liang jongang pan pa bujung aku play chum stable ai por nga ba ki nong yalam jongi na po ko consensi pat ka jingkerman ke baskam ba ki ne baro kin urlong kumba nak liang chum stable ulak